They say that fashion follows a trend cycle of 25 to 30 years. Everything that was old is new again, and this rings especially true in the world of watches. Case in point, the Tissot Sideral, an iconic timepiece that preserves all the retro charm of the 1970s original while integrating innovations to improve its functionality. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Tissot, please drop us a comment below. In the meantime, join us and discover Tissot's latest iteration of the Sideral, with which the brand does an exquisite job of keeping up with the times without having to strip of its classic, vintage aesthetic, ensuring it has a place in your summer ensemble for many years to come. As an authorized retailer of Tissot watches, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large selection of their latest models, including the Sideral. Explore this timepiece at Les Ambassadeurs at one of our boutiques in Geneva at Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world at Bahnhofstrasse, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz, or visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. Since its establishment in 1853, Swiss watchmaker Tissot has steadily built its pioneering heritage with a number of firsts in the industry. It was the first brand to produce a pocket watch with a dual time zone, which it achieved in the year of its inception. Tissot was also the first to create a non-magnetic timepiece when it produced the Tissot Antimagnétique in 1930, and with the Tissot T-Touch, it went on to craft the first watch to feature a touchscreen in 1999. It is this forward-thinking tradition and a dedication to innovation that led to the creation of the Sideral S in 1971. This was seen as a milestone in the horological world, as it was the first time that a watch came with a fiberglass case, providing sports enthusiasts with a lightweight but durable, not to mention stylish, timepiece to accompany them in their adventures. The story of the Tissot Sideral, just like the 1970s original, begins with the case. It continues the watch's legacy of featuring a light yet robust enclosure that meets the exacting standards of a sailing watch. But instead of fiberglass, this version of the Sideral uses state-of-the-art forged carbon fiber material with stainless steel for its 46.5mm per 41mm case. Surrounding it is a 39mm black PVD unidirectional bezel with diver and regatta graduation that adds an eye-catching and vintage visual to an already stylish aesthetic. It also features a sapphire crystal glass on top and at the back and is water-resistant up to 300 meters, making it a suitable accessory on your next sailing trip. The dial's aesthetic is fully committed to a 1970s vibe, with its black dial accented with yellow, gray, or blue rings with retro green and red indices for the regatta countdown timer function. The indices are coated with superluminova, which apart from better legibility, creates an even more retro look at low light conditions. The date is visible at the 3 o'clock position, while the red seconds hand and superluminova coated hour and minute baton hands complete the overall classic look of the Sideral. Driving this timepiece is Tissot's Powermatic 80 Nivacron mechanical movement. The choice of this movement underscores the Maison's commitment to precision and reliability under any environment. This 25.6mm movement is a mere 4.6mm thick, featuring a new skeletonized rotor and a power reserve of up to 80 hours, while beating at 21,600 VPH. In addition to its dial, the Sideral's 1970s aesthetic shines through with its distinct strap. Another holdover from the 1971 Sideral S is the perforated rubber strap, eschewing the traditional buckle clasp for a pin that fits into the perforations. In addition to the iconic yellow color, the Sideral is offered with red and blue straps, as well as green, orange, and black variants. The Tissot Sideral is calling on to your stylish and practical sensibilities at the price of 965 Swiss francs. If you lead an active and adventurous lifestyle and are looking for a timepiece that is dependable but also looks great on the wrist, the Tissot Sideral is for you. It is the perfect fusion of retro charm and innovation, and at a price you cannot ignore. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have the Tissot Sideral available for you. If you haven't already, visit Les Ambassadeurs' website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our super fast flash delivery service, where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. Do you think the Tissot Sideral is a worthy successor to the 1971 Sideral S? What are your thoughts about its switch from fiberglass to forged carbon? We always love to hear from our viewers. If you have any questions about this watch or any other timepiece from Tissot, please drop us a comment below. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button, and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.